Alright guys, we're gonna Grail Punt number 236, which is the Wolverine number 1 convention exclusive black and white of Virgin sketch variant by Kale New. Let me go down here and say we're live. So 4:37, current time in Perth is 4:38, 26th of June, just double check that. Oh, time is slightly off. Anyway, it's close enough. So we've got our list here of 100 spots, which is 1 at Dak, down to 100, which is Wado. Let's go up the top. We've got Dak at number 1, all the way down to 100 at Wado. Let's roll for 3 dice. So we've got 6, 10, 15 is the number we're going with. Let's get it rolling. 15 rolls. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think this is the longest one I've done. 11, 12, 13. Let's double check it. So 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15. We're up to 13. This is 14. And lucky last. Good luck, everyone. PM me when you see this winner. I didn't scroll that quick enough, but I missed it. Did you guys? Alright, so 15 times. Dice roll is 6, 10, 15. Alright, let's see who the lucky winner is. Oh, Mr. Kevin Koo. Gonna get some gifts on this post, I'm sure. Congrats, mate. Let's put it down in here. So the time showing there is 4:39. 40 for some reason. Slightly off, but there you have it. Thanks, everyone.